I couldn't master money. There was prosperity. I knew I was abundant. I started to speak it. And this is how you master all of them. You speak it into existence, and you don't let the outside world tell you otherwise. You just speak it into existence, and you continue to speak it into existence. My major teaching, the major thing I teach, I think that was one of the questions. How do we do this? The major thing I
Yeah.
teach is what I've come to study, and that's the power of I am. And what is I am? I am is God. Moses asked God his name in the beginning, and he said,
I am that I
I am
am.
that I am. I am God. I am that I am. And here's the thing: God hid his spirit in us. He hid the I am in us because nobody can say I am for anybody but ourselves. You know. So, and now here's the principle: whatever you put after that I am, that's what you become.